go ahead and get to the unboxing. Running board pulled out. Coating looks super nice. Quality looks nice. Super impressed. Super impressed, folks. Now this is gonna be all the hardware here. Take a look at the coating. Yeah, absolutely love it. You got that secondary step right there that gets you up to the roof rack. Let's go ahead and check out the box of hardware we got. Got your instructions, got your hardware. Looks like the brackets here are actually color coded. All the greens are going to be your left side, and all the whites are going to be the right side. You definitely can't mess this up. They're all labeled. Got your customer support card. Got your instructions. We also want to make sure we have all of the correct amount of hardware, and all of these